Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video. I'm here to talk to y'all and show y'all some PEX plumbing, fittings, and connecting, different ways of connecting it. PEX plumbing is used today in a lot of homes. Most homes that are built, they use PEX for their water supply pipes in the walls and ceilings to bring hot and cold water to the kitchen, bathroom, and showers, and plumbing fixtures and water bathrooms and kitchens and stuff. For homes on a slab, there are that you got your PEX that goes down like that. Let me show you here. We got your hot and cold, see, that come up, that go from your island over to a wall or something, or you know, and that's how they do it. And they bend it. Usually what they'll do is they'll bend it like that, and then what I like to usually do is I'll take electrical tape. Let me see if I got a roll of it somewhere. Okay, I don't think. Let me look. Okay, good. Alright. There we go. Got some. Okay. Usually what they'll do here is they'll take electrical tape or something, and they'll tape it and this and that, and they'll come up out the slab, and then you got your line, main water coming up, hot and cold, and things. And you never, when you run PEX plumbing, you never have it make connections or join two pieces of pipe where it's not accessible, such as underneath a concrete slab. It's got to be one piece, go down, come up, then you make your joint in the wall or connection. For example, here got cold, say there's cold water line coming up, and there's another cold water line coming up. So what I do is I take, see if I got any little piece of cold blue PEX. I don't got any little piece of blue, so I'm just going to use red for now. You take it and you put it together like this, okay? And yeah, I don't got any with me right now. And you put a 90 or something on there so that you, oh, here's a small piece. Okay, here we go. Then you take a piece like this, okay, and usually, and then you take your a elbow fitting, 90 degree. Let me see, what the heck did I do with it? Take a 90 degree or something like that, a 90 or like this, see, and go your two pipes, and it comes up, and then it comes to here, okay, it comes to there, and then you got your pipe that goes to another part of the house, another bathroom, whatever, and then you got your stub out for your kitchen sink or whatever, okay. That's that. Now, there's manifolds, but in terms of connecting different pieces together, I gotta be careful. There's some goodies in here. Show y'all. In terms of the PEX, the tubing itself comes in foils, or it comes in straight, long sticks, pieces, 10, 20 feet long. and things. And usually when you're doing it in a slab, you have, let's say you got, now let's say you got this here, coming up here, water faucet, okay, for, in the wall for a washing machine, okay. Let's, forget slab for a minute, okay, let's just, alright, so, you got your cold coming up, alright, and it comes up into your faucet for your washing machine valve, okay. And then you got your hot, which of course I don't have the valve for that currently, but that comes up and you got your hot and cold for your washing machine. Now, let me see here now, what the heck else I can do, and then, let's say here that you've got, move some of this out of the way here, you got a piece coming up right here, okay. Now, typically, what I do is when I got like feeders coming in, I put a T like this, okay. Move some of this crap out of the way so I can work a little bit. Okay, so I got that right there, okay. And then I take and I put. Why don't I have any little pieces of blue picks? Okay, I just have to figure out something here. And then I take a piece like this, and then yeah. And so usually, now normally what I do is when I'm running my lines, I got here, and I got another line coming up here, and then I got a shut off or something, and then I got something here going all over the place. Now, if that doesn't work, then usually then what I'll do is I put this here. That's for like a something else or whatever, okay? And there's that right there. And then I take here and I go from here and I put my other water line here, comes up and it goes off to somewhere else. I'm going to show you on my part 2 next, and I really hope y'all enjoy my videos. So yeah, thank you for watching.